Sharps versus flats. So in music theory, a commonly used term are whole steps and half steps. A whole step, 2 notes. So from C to D is a whole step because you go up 1, 2, and a half step up would be from C to C sharp. So a sharp note is a half step up. So C with a half step up is C sharp. And a flat is a half step down. So D half step down is D flat. That's why the Black Keys have 2 names. You could call it C sharp, D flat, they're the same thing. Now, something else that exists that isn't as common is seeing B sharp, E sharp, or F flat, or C flat. So C, a half step down, would be C flat. And you're like, that's not C flat, it's B. Same thing. It's not common, but it is a thing. So if you do see it, if you see C flat, that's what that means. Same for E and F. F, half step down, is E. So if you see F flat, that's E. Or if you see E sharp, it's F. Something else to be aware of that is even less common, but it's still a thing, are double sharps and double flats. So if you see E double sharp, 1 sharp is up a half step. So from E, we go up to F, and then another half step would be F sharp. So E double sharp is F sharp. And if you see G double flat, it goes down to G flat or F sharp. And if it goes flat again, that goes to F. So if you see a G double flat, it's F. Again, this is super uncommon, but if you do see it, now you know. All you have to remember is that a sharp note is a half step up or 1 note up, and a flat is a half step down or 1 note down. Again, so we have E. If we were going to do E double sharp, half step up, half step up. So that's 1 sharp, 2 sharps. So E double sharp is F sharp. And then we did G double flat. So the first flat goes down 1, second flat goes down again. So G double flat is F. All you have to remember is a sharp note is a half step up, a flat note is a half step down. Hope that helped. Follow me for more tips.